Well, been sick for the last 3 days, so I haven't been making any videos. I'm feeling a little better today, so I think we're gonna get back to work on the sidecar bicycle. Gonna do a little cleaning up out here. I'm trying to grow some tobacco. I've got tobacco seeds. I'll let you guys follow along on that one too. See how our tobacco plants are doing. Yeah, I'm gonna start with cleaning up. Had to clean myself up as well. Fresh, clean shaven. Editing a video. Need to insert it now. Alright, we're as cleaned up as I care to be. Truck's a mess, but at least we can move. Get to work on this sidecar bike. Alright. There's the solar shed, still operating. Battery's full. Very nice. I added this little addition right here. This little piece of aluminum. You can see that. It helps reflect some of the sunlight, but it's the only thing I had for now. I want to get some polished aluminum and make that, put a reflector here and a reflector there. And I think that'll capture a lot more sunlight. I've seen some tests where they put these shiny mylar plastic wings and it almost doubled. So we'll see what we can get out of this little US Super Light Corp solar cell. Alright, so I found some more scrap wood. So I love building out of scrap. By the way, shout out to Wildlings Sailing. Love your shows, your episodes. Keep them going. Soon I'm gonna trade up this here sidecar bicycle and get a sailboat like you guys. Alright, we'll get our camera going. Let's make sure she's recording. Pretty hard to see out in this here sunlight. There we go. Alright, so first thing I want to do is draw the outline of this sidecar. Let's go. So I got this 1.5 inch little block here. And I'm going to use this, draw out that shape, and I know the car is going to end here. Alright, here's the side profile. We're going to make one just like this, minus the door for the back side. Alright, that's the mock-up on the sidecar. Plenty of room in there. We're going to get some panels on the front. I saved this piece. That might become the door. Of course, we gotta watch that end, it'll impale you. I don't know, the door may be optional later on. The idea is my grandson could sit in here. I wanted to make sure this was high enough so he couldn't get his fingers in the spokes. And I could take him for rides around the neighborhood. Had a little staple poke out. Right, we got the box built, and let's give it a test fit. Whoa, that looks pretty good. It runs downhill, I know. And it wasn't very careful when I made the frame. But I think in the next video, I'm gonna sand all this, paint it. I'm gonna sand up the bike, paint the bike frame. I'd like to get some upholstery and put padded upholstery around this whole entrance. Maybe carpet the inside. I don't know. But that's what we got so far. Alright, stay tuned for part 3. I'm gonna sand it, get it all nice and smooth, paint it up, and like I said, do some sort of upholstery or padding or something. But that's part 3. That's coming up soon. And thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.